in this video I will show you how to copy Discord message ID. Firstly, you need to get up right here on your user setting on your profile. Then you need to scroll down and take a look on the right selection, which is behavior. Just go click on that selection, and what you're gonna do right here, simply you need to make sure that developer mode is turned on. If it's not, you need to take it on, because this is the most important thing on this selection. After you get that developer mode on, you need to get back, and then you're gonna get up, for example, right here on Sam Chat, for example, right here. And now if you want to take over and take that, copy that ID setup on that selection, what you're gonna do, simply you're gonna take over that selection with align selection side, which is, yeah, as I said, so easy to go on it. Simply if you take over right here something, and if you wanna get that selection, you go here and then you select, for example, we will go with this one, to general setup. Just go here on the three dots, and then if you scroll down, you're gonna find out, write down copy ID. Just go copy that selection and you have done it.